Natural and home remedies for mucus in stool. Mucus is used to keep these areas of the body moist and helps to move food through the esophagus into the stomach. It is normal for a small amount of mucus to attach to food moving through the digestive system and be secreted with the stool. However, if a large amount of mucus appears in the stool, this is a sign that the digestive system is under distress. Examining the symptoms that accompany this appearance of excessive mucus can help you determine the underlying cause of its appearance. Causes of mucus in stool. Constipation. Constipation is defined as having fewer than 3 bowel movements a week. This may be caused by an inadequate intake of fluids, poor diet, prolonged use of certain drugs, lack of physical activity, misuse of laxatives, and other conditions. In addition to failing to pass a bowel movement, constipation may cause difficulty passing stool because it has become hard, bloating, pain, or an incomplete feeling when you eventually make a bowel movement. Infections. There is a large amount of bacteria that help to maintain the balance of microbial flora essential to digestion. If these essential bacteria become overwhelmed by pathogens, it can impact the body's ability to digest food properly. Viruses, bacteria, or parasites may enter the digestive system and cause gastroenteritis, leading to inflammation of the intestines or stomach. This infection may also lead to bloating, abdominal cramps, fever, nausea, and mucus in diarrhea. Ulcerative colitis. Ulcerative colitis is an inflammatory bowel disease which can cause the lining of the rectum and large intestine to become inflamed. This can lead to lesions or open sores in this area as the disease advances. These lesions may bleed and cause the patient to experience diarrhea with blood or mucus appearing in the stool. Ulcerative colitis may also cause weight loss, constipation, rectal pain, cramps, and abdominal pain. Irritable bowel syndrome. This condition may be diarrhea predominant or constipation predominant. Some experience an alternating pattern of these symptoms. When these symptoms occur, it may cause cramping, bloating, changes in bowel habits, or pain in the abdomen. Bowel obstruction. Obstruction in the bowel may include a gallstone, adhesion, tumor, impacted stool, abnormal twisting of the intestine, or intussusception. This obstruction will make it difficult for the body to dispose of waste properly. Bowel obstructions will cause abdominal pain, distension, cramping, constipation, an inability to pass gas, or vomiting. Diverticulitis. This condition is typically asymptomatic, but it may cause mucus or blood in the feces, constipation, flatulence, bloating, abdominal pain, or constipation. If the pouches from diverticulitis become inflamed, it may cause fever, sharp abdominal pain, nausea, vomiting, or a distended abdomen. Food poisoning. Eating stale food or contaminated food may cause food poisoning. The symptoms include cramps in abdomen, vomiting, diarrhea, mucus in stool, fever, weakness, etc. It is caused due to bacterial toxins. Intolerance of food. Certain food may not be tolerated and well digested by the patient. Such foods can cause excess production of mucus in stool. Natural remedies for mucus in stool. When you find excess mucus in the stool, you should always talk to your doctor. When the underlying cause is detected, treatment becomes easy. Certain herbs such as marshmallow and slippery elm are beneficial in reducing the amount of mucus in stool. Both act as demulcents. Avoid dairy food and oily food when there is mucus in stool. It is normal to experience some mucus in the stool, so it is only advisable to take steps to prevent this condition if the mucus appears to be excessive or is accompanied by other conditions. Incorporating psyllium seeds or a tablespoon of blackstrap molasses dissolved in hot water into your daily diet can help to reduce the appearance of mucus in the stool. Improving your fiber intake and maintaining a healthy diet and lifestyle that minimizes stress can help to encourage healthy digestion. Foods such as raspberries, black beans, or bran cereal contain high amounts of fiber that are ideal for this purpose. Avoid spicy or processed foods as these can put a strain on the digestive system. Avoid beverages such as coffee or tea that are high in caffeine as this increases digestive stress.